Dang, girl, you single? Well, I got a nice ring to it. Me and you would be a movie. I could put the right into it. I see you, girl, with your S6. And you got you a smart watch. I learned from other people's mistakes. I call that a smart watch. Listen, girl, you are so fine. Everything about you is gorgeous. I put gorgeous wedges on your feet. Michael Kors on your wrists. I'm sorry, miss. My name's Sean. I'm from Harlem. I'm fancy. I'm the dude with all the fly socks. I'm well known in Tallahassee. Dang, girl, you so classy. Why would I let you get past me? I think I'm a good catch. All my exes want backseas. I don't drink. I don't smoke trees. Sag my pants down to my knees. If life is nothing but a dream, then you the girl of my dreams. And I'm wide awake, so I'm sleepwalking. That sounds sweet. Well, I'm sweet talking. I just need one thing from you. Your 10-digit phone number. You could be my Wonder Woman, and I could be your boy Wonder. Woo! Yo, subscribe to the damn YouTube channel, damn it. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Sean Cuddy. Sean Knox, 5 Verse Fridays. Uno.